Welcome to DLM-Distribution DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2019 Maroon Transit Connect with the Mini T conversion. You can see it comes with a hitch. This is a very well-equipped vehicle. It has heated leather seats, blind spot, navigation, forward pass to start your vehicle from anywhere. Inside we have our refrigerator, max air fan, sink, microwave, TV, DVD player. This van also comes with a mid-overhead double storage. These two compartments are great for extra storage. There's also storage under the bed. Comes with totes that fit under there. The couch pulls out into a 72 by 43 inch bed. The tailgate open in the back works as a good awning. Here you can see the bed is pulled out. This vehicle has very low miles. Please give us a call, 651-285-7089. or visit us at www.dlm-distribution.com.